Hi everyone, this is a real quick video to show you my desperation move that I did that actually got my printer to work. So I'm a test now every time before I even start working because it's just to that point where I don't want to waste wafer paper and that kind of thing if it's not going to print. So I got this result on one of my printers and I did a cleaning, and then I got this result after I did the cleaning. Now I went ahead and cleaned it, and then I still got the same result. And then eventually it stopped printing completely. So after I've done a couple of cleanings, I've actually physically taken it out of the printer and washed it out. It still didn't work. So I decided to do a desperate move. I put the printhead in the dishwasher. Now this was a home dishwasher on the top shelf, so it was away from the heating element. And this is the result. So I would say that if you're having 100% trouble, you can't get the printer to print the right color, you've cleaned it, you've done everything normal to try, and it's not going to get any worse. I would put your printhead in the dishwasher and run it through a normal cleaning cycle. The heat from the water that is in the dishwasher gets a lot hotter than it comes out of the faucet. So you don't want to use a commercial dishwasher. I'm not sure what the temperatures are there, but in a home dishwasher, it actually is giving me a decent print. And I put the printhead back in, put the cartridges back in, and then I ran a cleaning through there. Like I just did a regular cleaning for that just to get the ink flowing through everything. And I'm printing some stuff now. And what you want to do is print something that has all the colors in it just to get that ink flowing through and to kind of keep it good. So I'm hoping that that will fix this problem. But if you come across the same problem where you've tried to clean the printhead several times manually, just running it under water, and it's just not working, try this because I think that it clearly worked. And I had cleaned the printhead a few times and still gotten this bad result. And we know that that's not going to print right if nothing is printing. So leave me any questions and I will talk to you later.